Hi, I'm John from Coastal Range Equipment, and I wanted to show you how easy it is to set up and cook with the Coastal Range Backpacker, the lightest weight, easiest to use camping stove you can find. Everything packs inside the pot, so when you're out hiking or camping, you just take the lid off, get your fuel out and your burner base, screw them together, set them down on somewhere nice and flat, give the bottom cover a little twist and it just slides right off. Then you want to add your water. Open the gas, click the button, and you're cooking. You put the lid on to help it heat a little bit faster. It's got a heat exchanger pot, so it's going to boil really fast and save you fuel. About 2.5 minutes for a half liter, and that should take about 5 grams of fuel. When you're all done, you just turn the gas off, cook your food, drink your coffee, and then everything goes right back inside. So you unscrew it, you want to let it dry a little bit. Put the burner base in the bottom, put the fuel on top, click the lid, slide on the bottom of the cover, back in your pack it goes. The whole thing weighs 9 ounces.